Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the original Pennywise from the 1991 kind of show with Tim Curry. I'm gonna go over that. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. Stay all the way to the end. At the very end, I'll make a little mini announcement, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna use this Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper. So let's get started. Okay, with this step-by-step thing. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a line here for one eye. Going over here on the other side and drawing another line as well on the far side. Pulling down, he's got a very similar. I mean, obviously they're based off each other. The new one's based off the old one. The Pennywise, it's got the eyes like that. It's got those like straight line at the top, kind of devious eyes. Curve over here, curve over here, and I'm gonna fill these pupils in here. All right, doing good. Gonna go over here the eyebrows, and it's gonna be pretty thick. We're gonna go in over here, around the corner, in over in here, around the corner, pulling down the bridge of the nose. Gonna draw a line across, even though it's a color differentiation, and pulling down a little bit on the edges of the nose here. And then I'm going to draw the big old nose. He had like a big old honking nose in the old one. Has anybody seen the old show, by the way? I feel like everybody's probably, you know, not like younger. Has anybody seen the old show? I actually got to see it. It's pretty cool. It's obviously, I don't think it's as good as a new one. I think the show was kind of whatever. I think it was like a mini series, I believe. I just remember John Ritter was in it, and I love John Ritter, so I was like, this is awesome. Line over here, line over here, for kind of the bags underneath the eyes. Let's go over here to the smile. Drawing the corners of the smile to kind of get that in. Cross up. On over here for the kind of the upper lip. Pulling down, and then curve over here across. Whew. Curve. You know what's weird? I never really. This is for the teeth, by the way. I never had a fear of clowns. I mean, I think they were just like unsettling, like they're not my thing, but I never had like a fear like some people had. I just kind of thought, oh yeah, they're dumb and creepy, and that's it. I never had like a fear. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a straight line on the side over here, curve around the bottom, and pull up. That lower lip's bigger than you may think. All right. And let's go over here to the head shape. So we're going to draw a curved line down for the sides of the face. And I'm going to keep going over here. He's got a little bit of jowls. And then I'm going to go down here, extend it down to the chin area. And now I'm going to draw this big old bulb. That's something they kept around. Sorry I have scratches on my hand. My dog kind of like scratched me up. That was annoying. So he's got the big old bulb of a head, just like in the new one. And now I'm going to draw the hair. He's got that Bozo the Clown hair, like that around the sides. And I'm going to just kind of try to stay in the page for the most part. So for example, I'm like starting at the top over here, and I'm putting this little zigzag shape to show that, that's hair, all right, right? So that's kind of more or less why I'm doing the zigzaggy shapes. And it's really big for the most part. And let's do one more thing. Let's draw that neckerchief thing that the clowns have. So I'm going to go over here, and it's kind of like, it looks like a giant scrunchie if I had to like define it. I don't know what they're called. Probably should have looked that up, forgive me. But it looks like a giant scrunchie around the neck. you know. Yeah, there you go. Right on. Just kind of adding to this. Like that's literally what it looks like to me. A giant scrunchie. Does anybody know what these things are called? I know you can just Google it. I'm not gonna Google it right now because I'm busy drawing this. But what are those things called? These things around the neck. It just looks like a collar, like a scrunchy collar. And I don't know why clowns have them. Honestly, they're kind of creepy. Like I mean, it adds to like the weirdness of it. But yeah. All right. Continuing to kind of go back into this now as far as detail goes. I'm going to thicken out the line around his eyes. This kind of eyeliner look that they both have. I know that's to deepen the eyes and make them look creepier, like make them look deep. I've seen that with like rock stars too, right? They wear like eyeliner to make it look like deeper than it is. Ooh, also, don't. I'm gonna draw little lines right here from the hair, showing a little. So one thing I want to talk to you about really quick as well is there's a free gift from me to you. It is in the first link of the description. It is free Halloween drawing templates. It's basically how-tos, by page, and they're easy to print. I'm drawing these lines over. They're thinner though. Remember that these lines are thinner. It's easy to print the gift, and they're made to print. And there's 100 of them. There's 100 of these templates. So I put them in the description. Go check that out. It's my gift from me to you. The very, very, very first link at the top of the descriptions. Okay, go do that. I used to charge for that product, but I made it free this year, only for this year. So just go, take a look at that. I'm gonna leave it there for this year. I might take it off afterward. So get it while you can, I guess. I don't know how to say it. All right. That's mostly it. We're just adding stuff here. He kind of has these eyelashes at the bottom as well. Those are something I've seen a little bit with him as well. But that's it. I love Tim Curry. I am a huge, huge Tim Curry fan. If you don't know who that is, look up who that is. He did a lot of movies in the 80s and 90s, and he was the original Pennywise. So if you didn't know who this was, hopefully now you do, and go look that up. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and we will talk very soon, all right? See you later, all right? Oh, stay spooky.